The last question on the extra reaction review gives us lithium sulfide and iron 3 chloride. So that's lithium sulfide's formula and iron 3 chloride. Take a look at it. We do have a gas-producing reaction for sulfides, but it requires an acid, and iron 3 chloride is not an acid. So this is not a gas-producing reaction. This is a precipitation reaction, which means I get to split them up into their ions: lithium ions, sulfide ions, iron 3 ions, and chloride ions. And I search for my insoluble pair. Well, lithium is a group 1. Group 1 elements do not form insoluble compounds with anything, so it's out. It's got to be the iron. And the iron was already with the chloride. That doesn't form an insoluble pair. The rule for chlorides is that they are soluble unless they're with silver, mercury, or lead. And that gives us that our insoluble pair has to be the sulfur and the iron. So having identified it and using the crisscross to get the right formula, that we're going to make solid iron 3 sulfide. We can identify the salt, the other piece that comes in, by what's left over. Now, we already said that lithium is not going to form a insoluble compound with anything, so lithium and the chloride are going to stay in solution. When I cross out my spectators, I end up crossing out the lithium and the chloride from both sides, so I'm left with just the iron, the sulfide, and the compound, the solid compound. That's my net equation.